Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I am giving you a walkthrough and review of the Grand Legacy at the Park Hotel near Disneyland. And I mean really near. I will give you the estimate of how long it's going to take us to walk there. I'm guessing it's going to be 5-10 minutes, but I will let you know. But let's hear all about it. So coming into the room, we got the second floor. We've got room 210, and there's Brendan. He is not included in the room, but this is what the room looks like. We came in and it was a little bit warm. The AC was off, so that was the first thing we did after checking the beds, of course. If you know my look, first things we do. So it does have 2 beds. It came with 2 beds. They look nice. I don't know if B and I would be able to share this comfortably together, like if him and I were in one bed. But we are also used to a really big bed. But it's also kind of dark in here. It's better lighting over there, but nothing too crazy. But let's check it out. It looks like Brendan already turned on the TV. So you have a TV that works. And then you have a coffee maker with some French vanilla and some Legacy blend and some coffee cups that are sealed, which is nice. And there is a coffee maker right there. There is a full-size fridge, and we already put in our waters and our cherries. I know it's so weird, but we bought cherries before the trip, forgot to eat them, and decided to bring them on the trip with us so they wouldn't go to waste. It does come with a microwave, which is really exciting for whatever reason. I'm really excited about it. I don't know that I'm actually gonna use it, but I'm excited there's a microwave. And then it has some drawers. I never use the drawers. Let me know, are you a drawer user? The only time I do is if I'm on a cruise, but that's because I want to put the suitcases away. But in hotels like this, I just tend not to do that. Here is the other bed and the nightstand. It looks like Brendan already found a way to connect his phone. Through the alarm clock. That's kind of nice. So it looks like I'll be able to also connect mine right here. Really nice on the space for connecting phones. And then a phone, lampshade. Is there a Bible? There's not a Bible. Interesting. The beds seem fine. We'll let you know how they are. The only thing I didn't like is it didn't have a mattress cover, and I'm really afraid of bed bugs. And so that's the only that I have, but it looked okay. And then we have another socket, a chair, this view of Italy maybe. Here we have the little desk chair area. The chair looks questionable. I'm hoping it's just scratched and not dirty. So we're gonna go with it. We're just gonna go with it. There's my Grinch and my bag for tomorrow. Coco. And then the lamp. And here's another lamp. So very nice. Here's the AC after we kicked it on. So hopefully you can hear me. And I don't know what this is. I'm guessing it's just an armoire. Yep. Just an armoire. It looks like you have a ironing board, an iron, and then I'm guessing that's a hair dryer. Yep, a hair dryer, some hangers, no suitcase holder, which is a bit of a bummer, but that's okay. There is a full-size mirror, which I really like. That's a big plus. A lot of hotels don't have that. And here is the bathroom. Let me turn the light on. Okay, the bathroom is quite warm and a little bit loud, so I apologize because it has a fan included with the light. But let's go ahead and look at it real quick. This is pretty much it before I even walk in. You have trash can, toilet paper, toilet, tissues with a flower. It does come with products. It comes with conditioner, shampoo, body wash, and makeup cleansers, your face and body soap, towels, and then a mat, more towels, skin cleanser for the bath, and then this is the bath itself. We have not used any of this, so I can't really tell you how the water pressure is or any of that. And we do have extra towels out there. They don't do any service whatsoever, so it's upon request. So if you do want service, you have to call and request it. You do have to pay for parking, and that is it so far.